Hi! In this video, we will quickly go through how to enroll in courses at TaF.tc. To start, visit TaF.tc.org. You may browse all programs by clicking into this button. You can also search for specific courses in the search bar if you're looking for a particular course. Click into the course you're interested in and you will be able to view the course information, such as course duration, objectives, and requirements. After reading through the details, click Enroll Now to view course schedules. Once you have made up your mind, click this button to register. When this box shows up, click Self-Sponsored if you're not sponsored by a company. You will then be led to this page for application details. Here, click No if you're a new student. After that, click this button to proceed. Next, you will be required to enter your personal details, such as name, date of birth, address, and contact information. Once done, click Next. Here you will need to select your highest qualification, then your employment details. Next, let us know if you're being sponsored by your company. Please also let us know how you heard about us. On this page, you will be required to fill up the mandatory section. Before submitting your application, please read through our policies and terms and conditions. Next, confirm your course details and click this button to review application and proceed to payment. This page summarizes your application. Please check your personal details, course information, as well as your payment details. If you're using Skills Future credits, the amount you need to claim will be shown here. Before submitting your application, you can enter the special open house promo code. You will then be able to enjoy waivers of your application fee. Lastly, make your payment if applicable and your registration is completed. Let us know if you encounter any other problems. Thank you!